Hey, this is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And what I want to get into today is another good traffic source. It's called European Safelist. It's been around a long time. I've been a member a long time. You see account status active. I'm trying to figure out how long it's been around. I've been with this a while. I don't get how long, but I'm willing to say this thing is at least 8 years old. So it's at least been around since 2010 because I've been a member of this for a long time. And they have 17,000 members, and you get real traffic to your website using the credit mailer and what was I gonna say? I don't know what I was gonna say, but yeah, they got all kind of different kinds of advertising, banner ads, rotator, MLM leads. Uh, they have an affiliate program. You get 1 cent for free members, 75 cents for pro, 50 cents for silver. Then you also get credits as well, 500 for free, 1,000 for pro, 750 for silver. So I mean, it's worth referring people. I think what I was gonna say, I don't know, but I think I was gonna say something about bot you don't get bot traffic, you get real eyeballs to whatever you send out. I know that for a fact. So, but yeah, this is free to join as well. I think I've already reiterated 17,000 members. Uh, they are very active on this site, and if you, I mean, you also want paid traffic, you can buy some traffic as well. But the way to build up your credits is either by referring or looking at ads, and then you'll get credit for each ad or message or whatever, or each website that you look at, rather. But yeah, European Safe List though, like I say, it's real active. You're gonna get some real eyeballs on your offers and landing pages, squeeze pages, or whatever you promoting online through this platform. So, like I say, it's free to join. This is one of the good safe lists. It's worth a little bit of your time to stay consistent and blast out your ad whenever you can. Because I know marketers have other stuff going on and in the other stuff, but if you already a marketer and don't use this, this is another little source to add to your roster or arsenal or whatever. So uh, sign up for free, refer people, look at other people's websites, build up credits. I'm gonna put a link below this video, and I'm also gonna put a link to my blog below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You definitely want to do that, and click that notification bell and set you up a free European Safe List account. Y'all have a wonderful day. Peace.